In this video, we are making a database assignment 1 and we are using that. We are making the first table, that is the player table. It has player ID, integer type and primary key, name varchar 50 space, 50 size, and birth date is date format and birthplace varchar 100. We are going to insert the data by this query. One row is affected. We can see the format. It has date, so we will write the year, 4 digits for year, then hyphen, then 2 digits for month and one hyphen again and 2 digits for date, and we will write it in single quotes. Then the numeric data type, we can see the second table, create table student. It has a roll number, integer type, class varchar 20, weight numeric 6,2 and height numeric 6,2. The numeric data type, it has maximum 6 digits with 2 digits after the decimal point. We can run it by this query. We have to first create the table and then we can run the query.